What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript inkjet large format printer, a game changer in the world of printing. This 36-inch print with color printer is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you work, making it an absolute must-have for any professional or business looking to take their printing to the next level. Let's start with one of the most impressive features of this printer, its compact and quiet design. You can place it in any office or workspace without worrying about it being a distraction or taking up too much room. But what's even more exciting is how easy it is to use. With radically simple solutions and the easiest PDF printing, you can get the right results every time. Plus, with the HP Smart app, you can easily print and share jobs from your mobile devices, making it perfect for teams who need to collaborate and work efficiently. Imagine being able to send a print job from your phone or tablet and having it ready and waiting for you when you arrive at the office. It's a total productivity booster. Another key feature that sets this printer apart is its incredible print speed and quality. With the fastest print speed in its class and integrated automatic print stacking, you can meet even the tightest deadlines with ease. And with the unique Adobe PDF Print Engine, you can display the finest details from lines to bold colors, making it perfect for architects, engineers, and graphic designers who need precise and vibrant prints. Whether you're working on a complex project or just need to print out some marketing materials, this printer delivers exceptional results every time. The level of detail and color accuracy is truly stunning, and I've been blown away by the quality of the prints I've seen. But what really puts this printer over the top is its security features. As the world's most secure large format printer, you can rest assured that your confidential documents and prints are protected from unauthorized access. You have complete control over who can access the printer and your documents. And with the best network protection, you can keep your fleet secure at any time. This is especially important for businesses that handle sensitive information, such as law firms, healthcare providers, or financial institutions. With the HP DesignJet T1600, you can have peace of mind knowing that your prints are safe and secure. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript inkjet large format printer is an absolute powerhouse of a printer that will take your printing to the next level. With its compact and quiet design, easy-to-use interface, incredible print speed and quality, and top-notch security features, it's the perfect solution for any business or professional looking to boost productivity and efficiency. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing this amazing printer, find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing and take your business to new heights.